We are at Lee Civic Center and we are at their RV show. This is a $149,000 Winnebago Class A motorhome. Let's go in and take a look.
Washer dryer, stackable washer dryer. Are you familiar with the Winnebago?
Alrighty, there's some storage up front. Nice big TV, fireplace, chairs, tables, kitchen, stove, probably convection microwave because I don't see an oven. This is very nice Winnebago. Showers reasonably large, has a seat. There's enough room in the bathroom to move around. The bedroom's got a TV, lots of storage, his and her storage. Hanging closet in the back. Storage up top. This is a door that closes to separate you from your guests. This is very nice. This is a 17-foot trailer. And of course it's got your sink, stove, microwave, refrigerator, nice bed, storage up top, little counter, more storage up here, storage on the bottom. There's the TV. You come into the bathroom. There's the toilet, your sink, storage, and a little shower. If you're just looking for something small to get out and go, $13,998. What a bargain. Okay, let's go see what else we can find. This is a Winnebago Spirit. 2020, on sale $74,000. Got a little slide out with a couch and your dinette. Has a little tiny oven, microwave, fan, generator controllers, hot water heater, water pump controllers, holding tank information up here, sliding pantry, nice refrigerator, ooh, it's cold, freezer, of course, come on, shower, pretty much standard, and the bed, lots of room on the left, hardly any room on the right. A little bit of storage up top.
You still doubt if they're going in.
And a step. We hate that step. This is an Integra Odyssey, 26 feet. As you can see right away, they have the slide is out. It's a Class C because there is the bunk over top. And they put the TV up there, which I don't know how interesting that is. So it does have a little sofa and a dinette and microwave, oven or stove. There's no oven. This is probably does a little bit of both. It doesn't say. Okay. Refrigerator, freezer. It's mode, so it's a Norcold and it's got mode, so I'm sure it's gas or electric. Controls. Got a sliding door here for the bedroom. Storage. Bathroom's a little tight, but it's functional. And the bed. Now the bed is out. With a bump out. Oh, this mate. Oh yeah. See, that has to fold up So if anytime you want to lay in the bed, you have to put the slide out. So that's a no-no. We'll pass on that. But it is very nice. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Although we are not looking for a fifth wheel, this is a Winnebago Micro Mini fifth wheel for $21,932. Tables, couch, television. When we go up, showers on your right, toilets on your left, and of course the bed is up over top. It's nice, it's got everything you need. I'm not in the market for a fifth wheel, but I thought I'd show it to you. There's the refrigerator, stove, ovens underneath, microwave. It's got everything you could possibly need. It's Winnebago Micro Mini fifth wheel. I think it was 21,000. I've forgotten.
Just hit the button and let me
Yeah. Alrighty. We are moving up a little bit. It's pouring out. We just went outside. We're moving up in class just a little bit. There's a house refrigerator. Nice big screen TV. Storage. Got down there is a fireplace. Let's see what's in here. Bathroom. The toilet. Storage. Oh, washer and dryer. How about that? That's really nice. Come down to the bedroom. There's an access plate to get to something, I don't know. Lots of storage, little TV. Come in the back. Bathroom and a pretty nice shower with a seat. 2 sinks, his and her sinks. So, this is really nice. I could be very comfortable in this if it was only 10 feet shorter. There's a door to separate you if you want to take a nap from your guests. Little table. Little table here. Storage underneath. That of course drops down into a bed, I'm sure. Chairs swivel. And there's a little spot for magazines and whatever have you. Cool. Stove. Microwave. Very nice. Okay, this is a Pace Arrow. Let's take a look, see here, 154,000. And tables, couch. You can see the piece right there. You put your little table goes there, chairs will swivel. So there are no doors in the front. I hate that. This is a 2019. There's your TV. There's your oven, or your stove. There's no oven. So this must be a convection microwave up here. Convection microwave. Sink. There's something I've never seen before. A chalkboard. Isn't that something? It's a full-size refrigerator. And it's got the shower on one side. It's got a nice size shower. And the bathroom's on the other side. Or the toilet. There's a slide here. We got storage there. A little bench for to get dressed. TV. There's your washing machine. This is very nice. I could be happy with this. I could be very happy with this. It's 154,000. I'm a little less happy now, but there's a list of everything that it has. And I'm not even going to sit here and read it to you. Alrighty. So, We are at the Lee Civic Center RV show put on by La Mesa RV. Thanks for visiting. I just wanted to show you a few of the RVs, and we're out of here. Alrighty, everybody have a good day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.